Dem everybody. How are you everybody? My name is Tawanda Chimangariso from the Zimbabwean Fitness. Today I just wanted to show you how I prepare my pre-workout before I go to the gym. I use the Beat as my pre-workout. I get it from Pen Herbs here in Philadelphia. If you want to buy it, you can go at www.penherbs.com. They'll ship it straight to your house. So I use the Beat every day. I take like a tablespoon and mix it with the water before I go to the gym. And the reason why I use this Beat powder and water to drink before as my pre-workout is because it boosts my energy. It boosts me to that extent I can work longer in the gym. It also improves oxygen and blood flow in my muscles, and also increase the endurance, which also helps me to work longer in the gym, which is why I use this. And as well, it helps me to keep regular, which is why I enjoy using this beetroot. Anyway, so I always make like a full glass of water at a time. You can also buy the fresh beet instead of the powder. Depend what you like. I like the powder because the powder, it lasts me longer. I can buy like a pound and keep it in my house and keep using it. The fresh one, you gotta keep it in the refrigerator and it can go bad. So yeah, it's up to you, whatever you wanna use, but it's a good thing to use. So if you do use the natural pre-workout, comment below and tell me what natural pre-workout you use. I'll take another video, show you some more information about how my day looks like every day. I already did some videos about how I do first thing in the morning, how I prepare my breakfast. I'm gonna also take another video about what I eat during the day, what I eat during the evening, and my smoothies. I'll take another video about that. Anyway, bye bye. Tuzo Onana.